In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Ledger Flex. Firstly, you need to generate a receive address in Ledger Flex. Open Ledger Flex and navigate to the Receive tab. Select the account where you want to receive the crypto and click Continue, then connect your Ledger device. Unlock your device and open the Crypto Asset app. Click Verify to display the wallet address on your device and compare the address shown on Ledger Flex with the one displayed on your device to make sure they match. Now, approve the address on your Ledger device, copy it, or use the QR code to share it securely. Double-check the address by using the Verify feature before using it. Now, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and tap on the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the account you want to send funds from, then tap Send. Pass the Ledger Flex wallet address you copied earlier or scan the QR code and enter the amount of crypto you'd like to transfer. Now tap Review, then Accept and Continue, and finally Submit. Verify the transaction using Face ID, biometrics, or PIN, then tap Done to complete the transfer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.